The topic I'm going to discuss is the technological environment. So before starting the topic, I would like to discuss the basic meaning of technology. So here the technology means a certain kind of skills or methods or any kind of process that is used for the achievement of goals. Most of the people can use the number of technologies that is for the purpose of goods and services, for the production of number of goods and services that carried out the certain number of goals such as scientific investigation or any kind of project that may be related to the sending a spaceship to the moon. So here is the meaning of technological environment. Technological environment basically relates with the development in the field of technology. Whatever the equipments are used within the organization, whatever the equipments are used for the purpose of production, they should be in advanced technology, which will result the business towards the new invention of number of production and number of goods and services that are produced in improved manner. If the technology is with the latest techniques, they perform their work towards the business in the effective manner without any wastage of resources. So technological investment generally consists of the external factors in technology that impact the business operations. Basically, if the organization use the technology that is of old manner, it will doesn't give the result in the positive way and in the effective way. So external factors also affect the impact of the business operations. If the technology is changing day by day, most of the industrial has to adapt that type of technology for running his or her own business. So change in the technology also affect that how the company will do the business. With the changing number of technology, new techniques and new strategies are implemented within the organization for the purpose of production. If the effective techniques are used, then the production is also in the effective manner and on the time. For example, technology changes are mostly seen in the electronic sectors, energy, communication, where the consumer goods and industries are related, medicine sector and other manufacturing sectors. So here is the concept of business and technology. So technology and business are practically inseparable today. Under the concept of business, where one wants to run his or her own business, they basically use some technology like computers or basically number of machines for operating their business, which will lead to reduce the time of operating the certain number of things and for the production. So these technology and business, these two concepts are inseparable. We cannot separate them from each other. So without the no use of technology or without the no use of computers, the routine of the business functions and the routine of the business operations are not accomplished and they will lead to very slow. They will not accomplish their goals on time. So business and technology are relates with the certain number of benefits. If the effective technology is used within the business for operating their operations, there are certain benefits which will result the organizational goals to achieve in an effective manner. So the first benefit is it definitely decrease the time to perform the certain number of activities and to perform the certain number of tasks, which will lead to the increasing in the number of goods and services and the number of processes they can produce the number of units in less time with the use of effective technology. If the technology is latest, if the technology is used in the effective manner with the proper information, then it provides the good ability to performing its multiple tasks at one period of time. Whenever the production process is done, if the technology is effective, then the multi-purpose task can be performed with that use of technology. Technology will lead to the minimum level of errors, that is minimum amount of problems that are created with the use of technology. If the technology is effective, then there is no chance of occurring error within the organization, and the number of units and the number of goods and services are produced in the effective manner. The cost of production that is used for the purpose of producing number of goods and services is quite low with the use of effective number of technology. If the technology is latest, if the technology is used in effective manner and used by the professionals, then the overall cost of producing the number of goods and services is quite low as compared to before. So technology has enforced the businessman to remain its flexible and adapting their operations to newer and better technological advances. Better facilities are provided to the number of organizations because if they adapt the new technology with the flexible manners, then their operations become easier and they produce number of goods and services in effective manner. Beside all these technologies is relevant to the business in the following way. It helps in reducing the overall cost, that is converting of raw material into the finished product. The cost arising for converting that product into the finished products is quite low. So it will definitely increase the quality of productivity. Whatever the goods and services are produced, the quality of that production will definitely improve. If the production will improve, if the number of goods and services are in the highly manner, it will definitely lead to the competitiveness in the market. They can build up the good image, they can take their goodwill within the economic environment. If we are talking about the improved productivity, if the goods and services are produced in an effective manner, then it will also lead to improve the quality of services. That speedy services is provided to the number of customers. If there is any demand of number of goods and services by the customer with the use of effective technology, those particular number of units are provided to the customers on their efficient time, and it will also lead to the reduction of wastages. If with the technological improvement certain new factors are adapted by the organization, it will definitely reduce the wastage of raw material and improve the production level of the organization. These all concepts will lead to the introduction of new and better product and provide better services to the number of customers. So the overall result and the benefit that are gained by the organization is the cost benefit, production benefit. They can maintain their effective position within the market, and they provide the good quality of services to the number of customers, which will lead to new and better product services to the customers. So the next concept is technology affecting human factors. The very first one is the technological skills. Technological skills means they have the ability and power to perform the specified job that leads to the people needs technical skills to get job done. For operating the number of machines, number of new technology, the person should have that number of technological effect. If the person doesn't have any kind of information regarding how to operate the machinery, how to use the machinery in the effective manner, then it will lead to the effect on result. So before doing any kind of production within the environment, the person who is appointed for operating that machinery, he or she should have some information to operate the technology, that how the machinery is to be used and how the technology is to be used. Proper skills are required for performing the effectiveness of job. The next point is the job performance. Technology is basically the most important factor for the purpose of production, and it will lead to improve the job production. Basically, technology eliminates the old job. It also creates a new job. It will eliminate those workers who doesn't have the technological skills. and it appoints those number of person who have the technological skills that they can use that technology in the effective manner and produce a good amount of services within the organization. Technologically basically put the effect on reduction of physical efforts as it reduces the number of times for preparing the number of units within the organization, and it will also facilitate the virtual offices based on the information technology, that is the IT technology can use for spreading the business from one place to another with the effective use of computer skills. Most of the organization can provide the virtual facility offices to the number of sectors, which will lead to the economy development. Next one is the motivation. Motivation means it is a sort of process that an individual have some direction or put their efforts towards some goals for their attainment. Technology through skill improvement help people to earn more money. If the number of employees who are working within the organizations are motivated, they can perform their work well. If they are fully trained that how to use the technology, it will results to their skill improvement and help the people to earn more money. Jobs can be designed and redesigned to suit changing in the technology. According to the working environment, according to the job environment, certain changes are made according to the changes of technology within the organization. So working environment should be motivated towards the number of employees. The number of employees who are working and the environment where they are working should be according to their requirements so they can perform their activities effectively. Next one is the learning. Learning means something change in behavior and it will lead to handle the technology and help the people to learn. So basically, if there is new technologically and the implementation of new technologically within the environment, the employees definitely learn something from that new technology, that how they can operate the technology and how they can use it in an effective manner for the further production. Next one is the decision making. Decision making means choosing the best decision from the number of alternatives to solve some problems. So technology also plays a major role for providing the decision towards the manager, and it helps in sorting, making the certain number of research and sort the number of things in an effective manner for making the certain decisions within the environment. Next one is the communication. That is the transferring of information from one person to the another person. Technological make it easier to communicate the information to the number of employees or to the any number of sector for performing their activity. Next one is the environment. So technology is the big source of environmental pollution. Number of machinery we are using, it creates a huge amount of pollution towards the environment. So the technology we are using is needed to be controlled for pollution and protect our environment. Next one is the social changes. Technological changes social life and patterns of living. It also uproot population, create new jobs and changing social relations. Due to the new and advanced technology that is used by the number of population, it will lead to the creation of new jobs and changing of any social sectors. Thank you.